Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting review. Today, we have an absolute masterpiece, the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS. A car that blends cutting-edge hybrid technology with Ferrari's legendary performance. Let's dive deep into what makes this car so special. The 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS is a stunning convertible with a sleek and aerodynamic design. Finished in this beautiful white color, it looks both elegant and aggressive. The sculpted body, large air intakes, and sharp LED headlights give it an unmistakable Ferrari identity. At the rear, we have a sporty diffuser, twin exhausts, and those signature taillights that add to its bold character. Under the hood, the 296 GTS packs a powerful 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they produce a massive 830 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency. The car sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of over 330 km/h. The handling is razor sharp, thanks to Ferrari's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight chassis. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a luxurious yet sporty cockpit. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with impeccable stitching. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information, and the steering wheel, inspired by Formula One, has all the necessary controls at your fingertips. The infotainment system is modern and intuitive, keeping the driver engaged while maintaining Ferrari's driver-focused philosophy. Driving the Ferrari 296 GTS is an experience like no other. The instant torque from the electric motor provides an immediate throttle response, while the V6 engine delivers a thrilling soundtrack. The suspension is firm yet adaptive, making it comfortable for daily drives but sharp enough for high-performance track days. Whether the roof is up or down, the experience is pure Ferrari magic. So, is the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS worth it? Absolutely. It's a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and technology. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone who just loves open-top supercars, this car ticks all the right boxes. What do you think about the new Ferrari 296 GTS? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.